Hey guys, so learning target for the day, we can convert decimals into percents, calculate interest on a loan, sales tax, and discounts. So we're really going to look at the sales and discounts part. By the end of the day, you should be able to calculate sales tax and the cost of an item after a discount is applied. All right, we'll go ahead and just do section 2, and that'll pretty much be it for the day. So today you'll be able to finish section 2 of that percents, discounts, and loans assignment, which is due Monday the 22nd. And you guys actually have 15 more days left until the end of the term, until you're done with this class, and until spring break. So we are getting down there. Go ahead and make sure that that loans, percents, discounts, and loans assignment that was posted on Monday is opened up. I'm going to go over the answers for number 6 and 8, so that way you can get some free answers and you know how to do the rest independently. Okay, so number 6 says, if a phone case costs $30 and the tax on the case is 6%, how much will the phone case cost, including tax? So when you are calculating the total cost, including tax on an item, the first thing that you have to do is convert your percent into a decimal. And remember, we do that by moving our decimal point 2 to the left. Okay, I'll just go ahead and put that little visual right there. And if you forgot that step, remember the last section has that step for you. Okay, so in this case, our percent or our sales tax is 6%. So 6%, if we were to write that out, would be right here. The decimal point is after the 6. We just have to move this decimal point 2 places to the left. 1, 2. Remember, if you run out of numbers, you can always add a 0 in front. So 6% translated into a decimal is 0.06. Okay, so we have our decimal. We're going to take that decimal and multiply it by the initial cost, which is $30. Okay, so on my calculator, I'm going to take 0.06 times 30. And I get 1.8. All right. Now I just need to add my answer to the initial cost. So I need to add this to 30. And when I do that, I get 31.8. So after tax, that cell phone case is going to cost me $31.80. Okay, so when you're calculating the cost with tax, you're going to figure out the decimal point, multiply the decimal point by the initial cost, add that to your initial cost, and then you have the total cost, including sales tax. All right, this will help you with number 8. Number 8 says, Alexia. Alexia is buying a top from Kohl's that originally cost $40. She received a 30% off discount in the mail. How much will the top cost her after the 30% discount is applied? Okay, so when you are calculating cost and you have a discount or a coupon, the first thing that you're going to do is calculate or convert the percent into a decimal. In this case, she has a 30% off. So we're going to make that 30 into a decimal. Okay, and if we were to write that out, 30 looks like this, where the decimal point's at the very end. And when we are calculating a percent and making it into a decimal, we just move that decimal point over 2 places to the left. So 1, 2. So now our decimal point is just 0.3. I'll erase that. Okay. Next thing that we need to do is multiply the new decimal by the initial cost, which is 40. Move my face. So I'm going to type in on my calculator 0.3 times 40. That is 12. Okay. Now I'm just going to subtract my answer from the initial cost. So I'm going to take 40 minus 12 and that is 28. Not too bad. So my answer would just be 28. All right, so you'll notice that these steps are very similar to when you're calculating cost with tax, except the very end in the tax, you're adding your answer to the initial cost. With a discount, you're subtracting your answer from the initial cost. Okay, so that might kind of help you remember how to do these steps without referring to your notes. You're always going to convert the decimal or percentage to a decimal. You're always going to multiply that answer by your initial cost. And because with this tax, you're adding on to your initial cost, you're going to add your answer to the initial cost. With a discount, you're taking away, so it should be cheaper, right? You're going to subtract your answer from that initial cost. So hopefully that'll help you out. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Otherwise, complete section 2 and you are good for the day. See you later, guys.